to get this fun, amazing ride in real quick. Let's see how it goes. How do you even open these things?
Push. Oh, you used to break in the windows, right?
Yeah, I'm used to. Sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No problem. Yeah.
I would rather.
Oh.
You fit okay?
Oh yeah. This thing is so low.
It's just the design. It's not there.
All right, guys. If I don't come back, I got killed by a white man.
Stop it. Get some help.
All right.
Here goes something.
Welcome to the Viper.
Yeah.
First Viper ride, huh?
Oh, nice and snug. Okay, I got my little shit right here.
Yes, you do.
This is nice.
You might need that. So let's warm up a little bit.
Okay.
You know what? I'm just thinking.
Unlike those Mustang guys.
Yeah, they just take
Should
off.
I not? Is it too early? Is it too late?
How's that looking there?
I'm a
Black. Oh shit.
Oh.
That's exactly the time.
I like the fact that the exhaust is. I feel like I can hear it better because I know it comes like side exit wise. So
Yep.
it's pretty nice.
Yes, sir. All right.
Such nice.
Pretty quick, huh?
Yeah. Oh, that's fast. Man, only thing faster than this is a Kia Stingray. Oh shit.
The Stinger.
Oh, the Stinger, yeah, the Stinger. Oh, pops, okay.
It's muffler delete.
A muffler delete.
Thanks to my buddy Mike Papernia
Okay, you
up
got
in
it.
Ohio. He did the work at Revolution
Where'd you
Motorworks.
Did you buy the car in Florida?
Bought it in New York.
In New York, okay.
Yeah, original owner. He bought, it's a 13, he bought it new in 16. So it has, 13s have a 10-year warranty. So it's got warranty until almost 2027. Which is nice,
Which
nice
is
for a Viper.
Yeah. Oh my God! Yes!
Second gear's 90
Yes!
in this car.
Damn! Okay. Yeah, that felt good. That felt good. You got long gears in this car.
Yeah,
Super
first
long
is 60,
gears.
seconds 90.
Damn. That was nice. See, then I forget it's Dodge. So when I see the SRT mode, I'm like, shit, okay.
Yeah.
Damn, okay. I like it. I like
Not bad,
it.
right? They somehow figured out a way to put 18 speakers in this
Oh,
thing.
yeah.
Factory.
I can feel it. You feel like you have it's like surround sound already in here.
Yeah.
1, 2,
I don't know where that
down
one's
here.
at. There better be 18 when you get out of this
Feels
car
like
too,
there's one under
John.
my eyes. Oh, yeah?
Yeah, there better be 18.
You have about 15.
I'm gonna count them.
The 3 on my side are gone. As you drive, I'm sitting here screwing stuff out on the side.
Don't go monkeying around with shit, okay?
I mean, oh shit. Long ass window. Oh, that's my Honda number right there. Okay.
reflection in my wine glass. That's when I look away. Can't stand and think about losing your fine ass. How the fuck I let you slip away? Life for the party, but I'm dead inside. Kill my vibes, it was genocide. Hard to act like I've been alive. I'm trying to find where I identify. One time for the girl that got away. 2 times for the bub I'm about to spray. 3 times for the power that I pray to. Are you up there? Can you hear me? I know I fucked up, it's clear, see. I'm 22 but I don't act like it clearly. And all this shit is a mirage. I'm just rapping for a cause, the life, the fame.